having a diary in which you can track all of the works you have to do in a day will not let you end your day feeling unproductive guy, feeling regret, the feeling of regret which hurts most inside ourselves. We all know that we do work, we do spend time on doing some work of the day which are actually important. We end up being frustrated with ourselves, we being frustrated with our own discipline that I haven't did that work, or you are just like repeating the mistakes, repeating the same thing, which is causing the distraction, which is causing or serving as a distraction in your work, hence decreases the quality of your work. I want you to maintain this kind of diary. You can take any notebook, not just specific a diary. In this diary, you can plan your day with all the works, with its status of completion, time taken in the of the task, and the problems you faced doing that task, or why you not did the task. Everything. Let me show you this first. This is the diary. Here there is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 columns. The first column contains the date, the day. This is 22 July. These are all the tasks I have done in a day. These are the sign of completion that I have completed all the tasks. These are time taken doing these tasks. This is the problem I've faced doing this task. I just want to tell you is, if you are constantly repeating a same problem, doing the same task every single day, you notice a pattern. When you will notice pattern consistently, you will end up solving that pattern or avoiding that mistake, which actually reduces the quality of your work. I just only want to let you know is, actually sometimes you do work consistently, you do sit with every single percent of discipline you have to do what you want in order to complete like long-term goal. You end up regretting and frustrating on that task because you faced some kind of problems which were unexpected, but it still happened. This diary will help you not just maintaining the task or writing all the things before the day. Also, it will help you to recognize the pattern of the problems you are facing in your work, which actually reduces the quality of your work. If you search too many times in the Google while studying, that can reduce the quality of the deep work you do while studying. If you text so many times to your friends or chat with friends during some serious work, you will notice a pattern every single day that this is the thing which reduces the quality of my work every single time when I decide to do a deep work session. Having this kind of diary is such a blessing to solve this problem. Hope you got the solution of your problem. You can't go without following, so let's follow.